Hi, I'm Alex from Stream, and today I'm going to show you how to fit a framed window screen with a magnetic fixing option. The magnetic fixing is available with all of our framed window screens, but today I'm going to show you how to fit to a top opening window. Once you have your framed screen made up, you then attach the grey magnetic self-adhesive strip to the framework. In our case here, we've fitted it to the two shortest sides, but it can be positioned wherever you want around the frame of the screen. Once those are positioned, we take the colour-coded strips that go onto the window frame, in our case white, and we fit those or magnetise those to the strips that are already in place. Once you're happy those are nicely fitted, we peel the backing off those strips, and then once we've opened our windows, carefully offer the screen up and position it neatly around the opening. Once you're happy that's positioned correctly, press really firmly down the sides where the magnetic strip is positioned, and then carefully remove the screen and further press those lengths in place. And there you have it. Your screen is fitted. At this point, it is worth noting that in our example here we have better view mesh within our screen, so that is fitted with magnetic strips. If you had a midge, pollen, PET or the Respelon membrane fitted in your screen, the magnet would go all the way around the screen. If you have any questions when fitting the screen, please don't hesitate to get in touch.